In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Jira. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or removing outdated projects, understanding this process can help maintain a well-organized project management environment. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to successfully delete a project in Jira. To begin, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, or any other that you usually use. Once there, go ahead and log into your Jira account using your admin credentials. It's important to note that only users with admin privileges have the ability to delete projects, so make sure you have the necessary permissions before proceeding. If you're unsure, you might want to verify your access rights with your team lead or system administrator. After logging in, your next step is to access the project settings. To do this, direct your attention to the main navigation bar and click on Projects. This action will display a comprehensive list of all the projects associated with your Jira account. Take a moment here to carefully select the project that you want to delete. Once you've made your choice, navigate to the Project Settings option, which you'll find conveniently situated in the bottom left of your sidebar. The Project Settings page will provide a wealth of information, but your target lies within the section labeled Actions, or sometimes referred to as Project Actions. As you scroll down to this section, take a brief moment to acquaint yourself with the various administrative actions available. These options are not only relevant for deletion, but can often be quite useful for other managerial tasks you might encounter in the future. Within the Actions section, locate the Delete Project option in the menu. This is a critical step, so proceed with caution. Remember, this action is irreversible. Once confirmed, the project and all its data will be permanently removed from Jira, so it's crucial to ensure you've selected the correct project before you proceed further. Jira, being thorough, will now prompt you to type in the project name to confirm deletion. This confirmation step is vital as it helps prevent accidental deletions. Make sure to carefully enter the project name exactly as it appears, thus completing the confirmation process. The final step involves clicking on Delete to permanently remove the project. This action will effectively delete all connected data, including tasks, issues, and any other associated elements of the project. And that's it. By following these steps, you can successfully delete a project in Jira. Always remember to double-check everything before confirming the deletion to avoid any unintended consequences. It's often wise to back up crucial project data beforehand, just in case you need to reference it later. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials on effectively managing your Jira projects.